Are you tired of the endless struggles of trying to keep your sneakers clean?
Oh, shoot.
Is washing by hand a manual labor and extremely tedious? Or honestly, are you worried about messing up your expensive and nice pair of sneakers in the washing machine?
Oh my God, that stinks.
Honestly, guys, we were too. Hi, I'm Faisal Balani.
Hi, I'm Nirali Mandan.
And just like all sneakerheads out there, we were extremely frustrated with the lack of a good solution of trying to clean your sneakers without the hassle of spending hours cleaning them and honestly, without damaging them. The problem is existing solutions just don't work. On the market cleaners take way too much time and honestly, they damage your skin by using harsh chemicals. Or you can take the chance of damaging your shoes by throwing them around like a rag doll. Or lastly, you could pay a professional cleaner an exorbitant amount of money to clean your shoes. It's frustrating, it's time consuming, it's expensive, and frankly, honestly, it just shouldn't be this hard. We knew there had to be a better way, and that's when Nurli and I discovered the power of steam.
Oh, look at that steam coming out. Ooh.
Which led us to create the Shoe Steamer, the world's first automated shoe cleaner. We've spent over 4 years creating the Shoe Steamer. With endless hours of designing and prototyping, the Shoe Steamer isn't just beautifully designed, it is the world's best shoe cleaner, period. It's very simple, guys. Just place your shoes inside, fill up the water reservoir, press start, and let the Shoe Steamer work its magic. Our autonomous shoe tree holds your shoe securely in place to prevent creasing, while the powerful steam and compressed air gently but effectively cleans, deodorizes, and dries your shoes. Our team has done extensive testing to ensure that the Shoe Steamer keeps your shoes in great condition without ever affecting any of the materials. And yes, it's designed for all types of sneakers. From Jordans to Yeezys, you can clean your entire collection. And it works on virtually all materials. Leather, suede, knit, mesh, honestly, we've tested them all. Imagine a world where keeping your sneakers clean is effortless, where you can always wear your favorite shoes without worrying about dirt and grime. The Shoe Steamer does the work for you with the push of a button. No more harsh chemicals, no more tedious scrubbing, and no more long waits. Just effortlessly clean shoes, ready to wear whenever you want. So join us in transforming how sneakerheads, athletes, soccer moms and dads, or honestly anybody who loves their kicks as much as we do, care for their shoes. Back your project today and be amongst the first to experience the convenience of the Shoe Steamer.